LocalSend is a handy open-source tool for local file transfers, but it can be buggy, especially on iOS. If you're facing crashes or connection issues, check out these 7 top alternatives that offer smoother, more reliable transfers. Top 1. Best LocalSend alternative: MobiKin transfer for mobile. LocalSend has limitations like restricted features, compatibility issues, and unstable transfers. For a more stable and user-friendly alternative, try MobiKin transfer for mobile. Step 1. Download and open MobiKin transfer for mobile on your computer. The main screen will prompt you to connect both smartphones via USB cables. Step 2. Connect both devices using USB cables. Once connected, the software will automatically detect them. Make sure the source device is on the left and the destination device on the right. If not, click Flip to switch their positions. Step 3. Once both phones are recognized, select the data types you want to transfer and click Start Copy. When the process completes, disconnect the devices and check the target phone to confirm the data was transferred successfully. Top 2. PairDrop. PairDrop is a browser-based, open-source alternative to AirDrop that allows you to transfer files wirelessly across different platforms, including Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS. Top 3. OnionShare. OnionShare is a privacy-focused tool that enables users to transfer data smoothly and securely across platforms using the Tor network. It supports Windows, macOS, Linux, and even headless command line environments, making it a versatile solution for secure file sharing. Top 4. QuickShare. QuickShare is Samsung's native file sharing feature that allows users to copy and transfer data fluently between Samsung Galaxy devices and other supported Android devices. Top 5. SwissTransfer. SwissTransfer is a secure, cloud-based file transfer service developed by Infomaniac, a privacy-focused Swiss company. It allows users to send large files up to 50 gigabytes easily without creating an account. Top 6. Snapdrop. Snapdrop is a free, open-source, browser-based file sharing tool that works similarly to AirDrop but is designed for cross-platform use. It allows you to instantly transfer files between devices connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Top 7. AirDrop iOS macOS. AirDrop is the go-to solution for Apple users who want to copy and share data quickly, securely, and effortlessly within the Apple ecosystem, making it a standout in speed and user convenience, though it lacks support for Android or Windows devices.